As 2024 comes to a close, our hearts at Lyceum Global are overflowing with love and gratitude. This year, together with our incredible students, learners, teachers, partners, coaches, and trainers, we've created meaningful changes around the world. From developing emotional wellness programs for teenagers and young professionals to empowering educators and elementary school students, the GRACE framework has touched countless lives. As we prepare to walk into 2025, we invite you to join us in embracing the theme, Walk into 2025 with Grace. Let's make each day of the new year a journey filled with purpose and joy through the practice of gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. Gratitude. Start each day with a grateful heart. Find beauty in the little moments and appreciate the people around you. Gratitude transforms challenges into opportunities for growth and fuels your journey with positivity. Respect. Embrace diversity and celebrate the unique gifts of others. Respect fosters trust and builds bridges, creating communities where everyone feels valued. Accountability. Take ownership of your choices and actions. Accountability strengthens character, builds resilience, and empowers you to create meaningful change in the world. Courage. Step out of your comfort zone with courage. Face fears, embrace challenges, and let your bravery light the path for others to follow. Engagement. Be fully present and invested in your relationships and goals. Engagement connects you with your purpose and amplifies the impact you can make. Dr. An Lan Nguyen, the heart behind the GRACE movement, encountered incredible challenges this year. Through adversity, the practice of GRACE fueled her resilience and passion, deepening her commitment to share this life-changing framework with people across the globe. Now, we invite you to join us on this transformative journey. Cohort number 6 of the GRACE Foundational course begins in late February 2025. Together, we'll explore the principles of GRACE and discover how they can empower you to live your best life every day. Visit livingyourbestlifewithgrace.com to learn more. Let's walk into 2025 with gratitude, respect, accountability, courage, and engagement. Together, we can create a brighter, more compassionate world. See you in 2025.